You ready for tomorrow?
I just have one of my knees that's really hurting, so I'm 50% okay.
Okay. How is the pain? Is it intense or?
No, it's not intense, it's manageable.
Yeah. Okay.
But I can really feel Romania.
Romania was hard. That's why this lake is perfect.
One of these, man. This is godsend.
After a quick break with Enzo, it was time to grind out the last 15k of this run. Just 2 days ago in Romania, I faced some intense elevation that took a toll on my knee. But you know what they say, the show must go on. Now, I must confess, we didn't capture as much footage on this particular day. My focus was on getting through each stride, trying to manage the discomfort in my knee, and the team was busy doing laundry and finding some fresh water to fill up our tank. Since we've been traveling a lot and been filming projects in each country since the beginning of Run for Europe, the little essential things like laundry, groceries, a Wi-Fi connection and servicing our van often get pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. On top of that, our water pump was defect, so taking a warm shower, which I often looked forward to the most, along with some pasta or soup, went cold. The outside temperature on that day was around 8 degrees Celsius and the water in the lake was at 6. So as I crossed the finish line on this marathon and ate the long-awaited pasta, I had one more thing to do before we could drive off to Croatia.
I walked twice around the block just to find, just a tap to get some water, or to find just a friendly person, a friendly Hungarian person to take a shower, but there's literally no one here. I think this is a summer destination. So all of these houses are just for summer vacation. So the only option we have is the lake. Better than nothing. Let's get it. Apparently it's 6 degrees. I talked to some guy. 6 degrees. But he told me that it's quite clean. Oh. 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 Goodness gracious. My knees hurt, now recovery starts. We only got 1 day of recovery until the next run in Croatia. We're gonna, drive there towards the end of the day and stoked for the future. So we are 6 runs in, meaning that we are 1/4 of the way from Run for Europe. 6 out of 24. Excited for the next 18 runs. Let's do it.